In the Superior Court of Fulton County, State of Georgia versus Jeffrey Williams, defendant, indictment number 22SC183572, Judge Glanville. Mr. Williams' motion to dismiss indictment and or motion to suppress evidence and derivative evidence based upon prosecutorial misconduct and abuse of grand jury powers comes now, Mr. Jeffrey Williams, by and through undesigned counsel, and hereby files this motion to dismiss indictment and or motion to suppress evidence and derivative evidence based upon prosecutorial misconduct and abuse of grand jury powers in the above referenced case. In support of this motion to dismiss, Mr. Williams shows as follows. 1. Mr. Williams is innocent of all charges in the above referenced case. 2. On or about April 8, 2016, the District Attorney's Office of Fulton County abused its authority by utilizing a sham grand jury subpoena and issuing same to the Hertz Corporation for rental record information relating to Mr. Jeffrey Williams. This supposed grand jury subpoena was not issued or authorized by any judge, clerk of court, or lawfully or properly impaneled grand jury. Instead, the District Attorney's Office affixed their own seal on the document, creating the false impression that a properly impaneled grand jury had issued an official edict compelling the Hertz Corporation to comply with the demand to produce records. The District Attorney's Office engaged in egregious misconduct and blatant misrepresentations under the force and power of the court. Hey, I'll go live about this one tonight. Boy, oh boy. Remember when I told y'all, hey, they gonna have to start playing dirty? Well, it turns out, while Young Thug's lawyers and everybody try to play clean and all this, the DA playing dirty. If what they said is true, it is grounds to toss the whole entire Rico. Very possible. And I literally told y'all, they go through every single line and see if the law was applied. Well, it just so happens when they got on the line of making sure that it was actually filed, turns out that the DA didn't have it. Bro, I ain't gonna hold you. You can almost file a criminal complaint. You can almost say it's fabricated evidence. They almost technically, and they more than likely will, if the judge doesn't grant something, they can actually sue him. In all honesty, that's actually a criminal complaint. You basically made up the evidence. Now the question then becomes, hey, bro, she wasn't the DA then, it was Paul Howard. Or maybe they did consult Paul Howard like I told y'all, and Paul Howard probably spilled the beans. Paul Howard probably, hey, we actually didn't have whatever. Bruh, this is like basically somebody playing basketball, right? And they up 10. With 2 minutes to go, somebody steal the ball, hit a three. Boom. The next thing you know, they shoot it again. They get they hit a three, they come back down. They shoot it again, they miss, and then somebody comes back down and hits a three. And now on the clock is 1 minute and 40 seconds. This is the crazy part about it. They might just throw out that part in particular, but they're not going to destroy the whole entire Rico. That judge ain't going to do that. Should he do it? Absolutely. Absolutely, the judge should, because that right there is the difference between criminality versus law and order. We can't have cops and DAs being dirty, because that's exactly what the people that they're going up against are accused of doing. See, there has to be good and evil. You got to remember, the court is supposed to be good. The DA is supposed to be the superhero. They're supposed to be the ones that do right. But this right here, bro, this is insane. I'll catch you on the live stream tonight. Let me know y'all thoughts. Now, what's going to happen though, right? Early predictions. What's going to happen? That judge is going to throw out the charge with the attempted murder and all that, and premeditated and all that. I don't think it's a premeditated. I'll go back and look at it. We'll definitely check it out tonight. We'll go back and we'll look at all the Young Thug stuff. But whatever charges are associated with Peanut getting killed, because this is basically what it is, that's going to get thrown out. And on the real, they could file an emergency motion to get bond. So this right here is a big W. But like I said, it's 1 minute and 40 seconds on the clock. They only literally down 4 points now. But y'all, subscribe, turn on the bell to stay notified. Share to keep your people aware. Tonight we going live, so I'll catch you there.